Hello students, welcome in e-learning class of St. Michael's Academy. Students, today in this video lecture we are going to solve some problems of exercise 5.3 of NCERT book. Now we will solve questions related to quadratic equation. Now we are going to find solution of quadratic equation, that is root of quadratic equation. It means that value of x in quadratic equation, value of variable in quadratic equation. Now we have one question, that is 2x squared plus x plus 1 equals to 0. Here in this question coefficients are 2, 1 and 1. A is equals to 2. A is the multiple of x square, that is 2. Now B is equals to 1. B is multiple of x, which is 1, and constant term is C equals to 1. Constant term in this quadratic equation is 1. We have quadratic equation 2x squared plus x plus 1 equals to 0. Now we have to solve this quadratic equation. It means that we have to find out the values of x. X is variable in this quadratic equation, and now also the roots of this quadratic equation. Since we know values of x are called roots of this quadratic equation. Now since we know x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here value of a, b and c we will put. B is equals to 1, so we will put here 1 plus minus under root b square. It means that square of 1 minus 4 into a is equals to 2 and c is equals to 1 upon 2a. A is equals to 2. Now minus 1 plus minus under root square of 1 is 1 minus 4 into 2 into 1 equals to 8 upon 4, and this is equals to minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 8 equals to under root minus 7 upon 4. X equals to minus 1 plus minus, students, here under root minus 7 we can write under root minus 1 into under root 7 by 4. Since we know under root minus 1 equals to iota I. Students, we know under root minus 1 equals to I. So we will write I here. I under root 7 upon 4 and minus 1. These are two values. There are two values of x. One is minus 1 plus I under root 7 by 4 and other is minus 1 minus I under root 7 by 4. Once time we will take positive, minus 1 plus I under root 7 upon 4. Another value is minus 1 minus I under root 7 upon 4. these are two roots. We represent alpha by alpha and beta. So alpha equals to minus 1 plus I under root 7 upon 4, and beta equals to minus 1 minus I under root 7 upon 4. These are the two values of variable x in this quadratic equation, and these are called roots of this quadratic equation, and these are the solution of this quadratic equation. Now, students, here you are observing that these two roots of this quadratic equation are distinct and complex. These are not real roots, these are complex roots. Minus 1 plus I under root 7 by 4 and minus 1 minus I under root 7 by 4. These both values are complex number. So, and these are distinct. So, these are complex root and distinct root of this quadratic equation. Now, let us solve another question. Students, we have another question, that is under root 3 x square minus under root 2x plus 3 under root 3 equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Now we have to find out the solution of this quadratic equation. That is, we have to find out the roots of this quadratic equation. It means we have to find out the values of x in this quadratic equation. Students, here first of all we will write coefficients of this quadratic equation. A, here a equals to under root 3, b equals to minus under root 2, and constant term equals to 3 under root 3. A is multiple of x square, b is multiple of x, and c is constant term. Now to find the value of x, we will write a formula, that is x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now we will put values of a, b and c in this formula. B equals to minus 2. Here we will put minus under root 2. B equals to minus under root 2. Minus under root 2 plus minus under root minus under root 2 square minus 4 into value of a is under root 3, so we will write here under root 3. Also value of c is 3 under root 3 upon 2a. 2 into a, value of a is under root 3. Here minus minus plus under root 2 plus minus under root square of minus under root 2 equals to 2 minus 4 into 3, 12 under root 3 into under root 3 equals to 3 upon 2 under root 3 equals to under root 2 plus minus under root 2 minus upon 2 under root 3. Now x equals to under root 2 plus minus 2 minus 36 equals to minus 34 under root minus 34 upon 2 under root 3. Under root 2 plus minus, we can write under root minus 34 as I under root 34 upon 2 under root 3. Now we have two values, under root 2 plus I under root 34 upon 2 under root 3, comma, under root 2 minus I under root 34 upon 2 under root 3. These are the values of x and these are called roots of quadratic equation. Now alpha equals to, we can write roots, alpha equals to under root 2 plus I under root 34 by 2 under root 3, and beta equals to under root 2 minus I under root 34 upon 2 under root 3. These are the two values of x, that is, these are the two roots of this quadratic equation. I hope students you are understanding. If there will be any doubt, you can ask in comment box. Thanks.